Hi friends, this is Dr. Kru Kosavada, and today we will be going to discuss a very important topic, that is the difference between Visha, Madhya and Oj Guna. This is very important topic. If you want more video links, you can visit the description box, and if you are new to this channel, consider subscribing and sharing. So let us check out the guna of Visha first. Lagu Ruksha Asu Vishadam Vivai Tikshnam Vikasi Suksmam Cha Usnam Anirdeshya Rasam Dasaguna Muktam Visham Tajagne. So here they have given gunas like Lagu, that is lightness, Ruksha, Asu, Visada, Vyavai, Tikshna, Vikasi, Suksmam, and Ushna and Anirdeshya Rasa. Same in Madhya also, the gunas are almost same. लघु उष्ण तीक्ष्ण सूक्ष्म अम्ल व्यवायी आसुगमेव च रुक्षम विकासी विशदम मध्यम दस गुण मुक्तम स्फुटम. So in gunas of Visha and Madhya are almost similar except its rasa, right? The guna of Oja are Guru Shitam Mrudu Slaksham Bahalam Maduram Stiram Prasannam Pichilam Snigdam Ojo Dasa Gunam Smrutam. So here we have listed out all the gunas of Visha, Madhya and Oja. So आप उसके between जो difference है वो easily आप पकड़ पाओगे. So the guna goes of Visha and Madhya like Lagu, that is lightness, then Ruksha, that is non-unctuousness, then Asu, that is quick acting, then Vishada, that is non-sliminess, then Vyavai means prevailing at everywhere prior to digestion, then Tikshna, that is sharpness, then Vikasi, that is slackening, then Sukshma, that is minute, Ushna, that is hot, and Anirdeshya Rasa in Visha, that is indistinct taste, and Amla, that is sour taste, right? So these are the gunas of Visha and Madhya. And if we see guna of Oja, that is Guru, means it is heavy or heaviness. Sita, or rather we can say Snigdha, that is unctuousness. Then Prasanna, that is clear. Then Pichila, that is sliminess. Sthira means stable. Mrudu means softness. Slakshana means smoothness. Bahala, that is dense. Sita, that is coolness. And Madhura, that is sweetness. So now let us check out that explanation. The attributes of Visha and Madhya are nearly identical, means nearly same, but the characteristics of Visha and Oja are opposite to each other. So Oja and Visha, both the characteristics are opposite, and Visha and Madhya are nearly same. Visha and Madhya have 10 attributes each, which are almost similar except for Rasa. So what is the difference? We have already seen Rasa of Visha is Anirdesya. Even in Sushrut they have told as Apaki, and for Madhya it is Amla, right? And the gunas of Visha and Madhya are almost similar and are precisely opposite to the Oja guna. So guna of Madhya and guna of Visha all are precisely opposite to Oja guna, right? So they are opposite to it. Thank you for watching this video. You can subscribe this channel, click bell icon. You can comment on this video and you can share this video amongst your friends. Thank you.